My name is Carlos. I'm from Dahao, China company. And this time I come here together with Ismail and join this exhibition.
Textile Asia.
Oh yes, we joined Textile Asia in Pakistan. So you can see this booth also in embroidery machine. So you can see this machine brand is JSM in Pakistan. So also is a top brand in China. Now
Brand Pakistan.
okay, and also top brand in Pakistan. Now we also we are supplier of this machine, and we deeply cooperate with each other. Yes, this time we join this exhibition, so have many key clients come here, and they see the machine performance, and machine performance is good. They also satisfy these products. We think in certainly future they can have many orders come and have big achievement can achieve. Thank you.